If you are looking for a new way to earn some serious cash, I'll show you how in today's video with the help of an AI. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification. The first step is to go to WaysTo.com. The first step of this method involves using a website equipped with artificial intelligence called WaysTo.com. Now you may be wondering exactly this website does and how it can help you make good money. Let me explain that. You have ever watched a long cooking tutorial video on YouTube and thought to yourself, wow, it looked delicious. I don't have the time or patience to watch it just to get it. The recipe is here. The video recipe is useful. This amazing website can take any YouTube cooking video and turn it into a simple recipe article complete with all the necessary ingredients and instructions. And the best part is that you don't have to download the video. Just link to the YouTube video. You will convert, copy and paste it into the website search bar in just a few seconds. The website's AI technology will do its magic and create a full format recipe article that's easy to read and follow. But how does this turn into making money, you ask? The answer is simple. Plan to pay close attention to the rest of the video because I'm going to walk you through how you can use this super cool AI tool to make money. Do yourself a favor, so let me quickly walk you through an example of how this works to make delicious Mexican rice. Go to YouTube and you search for how to make Mexican rice and you'll find a great video tutorial. Copy the video link and go to video to recipe. Just put one click in the search bar of the website and wait for the AI technology to work its magic. After just a few seconds, the website will convert the cooking video into a simple and easy recipe article that include all the ingredients it is necessary and necessary instructions to prepare the food unit. You will see a list of required ingredients and step-by-step instructions on how to prepare and cook rice. You can quickly and easily turn any cooking video into a recipe article. Now that you've been seeing how easy it is to use video to return a cooking video into a recipe article, it's time to move on the next step in the monetization method, and we'll show you how that recipe article and posting it on a free article submission website called Medium that can help you reach a large audience and increase your chances of making money. First, let me explain a bit about its course. It is a popular platform where anyone can post articles in a wide range of topics from cooking and food to lifestyle to travel and more. The great thing about media is that it's completely free to use and your article can appear in Google search result, which means more people will have the opportunity to read and interact with your content. Are you posting your recipe article on your Medium? It's actually quite simple. Once you've got your article ready, go to Medium and create a new account. If you don't already have one, it's quick and easy. Before you know it, you'll be ready to start posting articles. Fill yourself up and connect with the average community. First, go to medium.com. Once you are on the homepage, you should see the start button on the top right corner of the page. Click on the button. The registration process will start from there. You will be asked to register using your Google account. Register your Facebook or Apple account or create a new account with your email address. If you prefer to register, simply click the border button using one of your existing social media accounts, and if you prefer to sign up with your email address, click the continue with your email button. You'll be promoted to enter your name. Choose one of that's easy to remember because you'll need it every time you go into media. After entering your information, click the register button and you will be redirected to the homepage where you can start exploring articles and interacting with the community. Registering on media is quick and easy. After sign up opens up a whole world of content and interaction opportunities for you. Be sure to personalize your profile with a photo, a bio, and link to your social media account or personal website will help you build your personal brand and attract more readers to your articles. One of the best ways to monetize an article you have posted on Medium is through affiliate marketing. If you are not familiar with affiliate marketing, it is a way to earn commission by promoting other people's products. In this case, we promote related cooking products because this is the focus of our article to start cooking on ClickBank or DGSR24, a marketplace that connects product creator with affiliate marketers. There are thousands of cooking related products on ClickBank as well as DGSR24. When you click on the DGSR homepage, is a great place to start. The affiliate marketplace link bring up a menu bar where you can browse different products categories. You will be shown a list of cooking related products that you can advertise as products. After finding the products you want to advertise, find a product that is suitable for your article. Click on the advertise button and you will be created, and this link is exclusive to you. Now paste your affiliate link in your article. So after entering the page, click on the right story button. At the top right of the page, you will be redirected to a new page where you can start writing your article recipe, instruction, and ingredients from. Copy the article you created in the video tutorial and paste them into the text editor in Medium. You can also add personal notes to it. An article like types on how to make super delicious food, or a story about why you have to cook. I also highly recommend high quality images of the finished dish. Any photos of the cookies process you may have taken to make the article more visual. Then you can give it a catchy title and press the publish button. And you can make your affiliate link from DGSR24 good and come back to your article. You want to find place where you can promote product nationally. For example, if you are writing an article about how to make Mexican rice, include a section on the best rice cookers to use while cooking. Then you can write your affiliate link for the rice cooker you want. Remember that the key to affiliate marketing success is to promote products that are relevant and valuable to your readers.